Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have 10 tips and tricks for your start with your Huawei P60 Pro. First thing we want to look at is the screen timeout and the adaptive brightness. So you can go to your drop down menu and you have this bar here and you can set it to high or very low and you see how the light changes. We can go to our settings and then go to display and brightness, and here we have the same bar, so we can set it to very high now, and if we enable automatic it will adjust the brightness of the screen to your surrounding. The next thing we want to do is go to screen and then sleep, and right now it's set to 10 minutes, but you can of course set it to whatever you like here, 15 seconds, 2 minutes, whatever you like. Next thing we can do is to block unknown numbers, and for that we want to go to our phone icon, go to the dots here, go to blocked, and then we can block all incoming calls, we can block unknown numbers, and we can block private and withheld numbers. If you've done that, hopefully all those spam callers and unknown numbers who just want to annoy you can't reach out to you anymore, and you can enjoy the silence. Next thing we do is we go to the auto rotate. It's disabled right now. We go ahead and enable it and go to our gallery. And now if we turn our phone sideways, the screen will shift sideways as well. So for some things you might just want your screen to shift sideways or do not shift at all, and then you need to have this disabled so that your screen doesn't shift sideways and you can use your phone how you like it. Next thing we want to do is to turn on the dark mode, and we can just do that here. Just press on it and turn it on, or we can go to our settings and then go to display and brightness, and here we have dark mode, and now it's enabled all day, but we can also schedule it and say that tonight at 7 it should turn on, and then tomorrow morning at 7 it should turn off again. Next thing we can do is to turn our location on or off. Right now it's disabled, we can enable it. Be aware that if your location is enabled the whole time, it might drain your battery a lot faster than you would think, because it's constantly scanning your location obviously, and that really drains your battery. So for battery reasons we keep this disabled, but you can totally choose whatever you like best here. Next thing is 5G. If your phone and your provider provide 5G, but you're in a location where you just can't use it, you might want to turn that off, because that also drains your battery a lot faster. So you can go to your settings and go to mobile network, mobile data, and then preferred network mode. It's set to LTE, 3G, 2G auto right now. I don't even have any other option because this phone and my provider do not support 5G. But if your phone does and your provider does, then you might want to just turn it off. Next thing is the screenshot, and we all know the easiest way to make a screenshot: power on and off and the volume down button at the same time. But on this phone we also have two other options, and the first one is to go to our drop down menu and just press screenshot here, and the next one is to just tap on screen with our knuckles, and then it makes a screenshot as well. For this to work, you want to go to your settings and go to accessibility features, and then go to shortcuts and gestures, and then go to take screenshot, and this needs to be enabled, otherwise you're just knocking at your phone and nothing happens. Next thing we want to do is to use our fingerprint to unlock our Huawei phone, and for that we need to go to our settings and go to biometrics and password and to fingerprint, and now we need to enter a PIN, and then we can decide what we want our fingerprint to do. We can say unlock device, access safe, access app lock, and autofill usernames and password. I want to say unlock device first of all now, and then add fingerprint. And now we're just gonna put our finger here, move it around slightly, and now our fingerprint is added. So we can say Okay, we can rename it or delete it here. I'm gonna lock this phone and then want to unlock it by pressing the fingerprint sensor. So that's really quick and easy. And the next thing is the app folder. So to organize your phone a bit, you can create app folders, and you just need to press and hold on one app and then drag it on top of another one, and then we have a folder here. We can rename it here, can go back and then put as many apps in it as we like, and then we can organize our phone a bit. To take these apps out again, you just need to press and hold and then drag them out. And if you have only one app left, then the folder will disappear by itself. The last tip I have for you is the battery in percent. You can see it right here, but maybe your phone doesn't show your percentage. So you can go to your settings, go to battery, and then battery percentage. It's set to inside battery icon now. We can say next to battery icon, then it shows here. Or if you don't like that, you can just disable it all and then it just shows the bar here. But we want to see how much our phone is actually charged, so we can say next to battery icon, and then we always know what our phone is at battery wise. So that were my tips and tricks for your Huawei P60 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.